cloud.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. It's lovely to be here with all of you. Thanks for taking out your time and for me to share and present an opportunity to you. You probably won't come across this again in your lifetime. So it's a company that is offering founding positions at a very affordable price. This is a startup company. It's a multi-billion-dollar company. And if you join today, you'll be in the top 1% of the company when we launch. And it is going to be very affordable. We are starting stronger than any business that has ever started before us. So what are you waiting for? Okay, let me just give you a quick overview of what you're going to learn today. Okay, you're going to learn what Onpassive is, a little bit about our CEO, what the Onpassive products are and why the products are needed, and the opportunity currently available and what the benefits are. So what exactly is Onpassive? Onpassive is a very real business. It's a global company that is valued at $5.5 billion. It's also an information technology company with 50 portfolios of digital products that are far more superior than you have already out there. And it's all run by artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. It's an online marketing business solution. The company has brick and mortar assets. We have 2 buildings, one in Florida, in Orlando, Florida, where we have an executive office where our CEO, Ash Mafara, works from, and a very huge 6-story building in Hyderabad, classed as high-tech city in the Silicon Valley of India, where you will find the top name businesses like Google and Microsoft and many of the mainstream businesses. Also, you'll find the best IT experts. Now, Onpassive have the best of the best software engineers, programmers, media experts, marketers, etc. Our staff have come from companies such as JP Morgan, Apple, and big brand names like that. We have approximately 700 staff and expect to have up to 1,000 staff once launched. Onpassive will definitely be a household name. So who is the brains behind Onpassive? Well, here's a photo of our CEO, Ash Mafara. He is a man with a vision for the future and for humanity. He's a man with a very big heart and a very big smile. Ash attended the American Intercontinental University for a master's degree in information technology and e-commerce at MIT. He also completed the Harvard Online Business Creation Systems. So while Ash did his studies, he researched models like Walmart, Google, Twitter, Microsoft, Amazon, and many more. Ash also, by being in the industry and knowing the industry very well, and the research he had done, showed 320 million online businesses failed. Ash has had over 20 years experience in the online world and has been very successful. He understood how the internet has a potential to change the world and change poverty into prosperity. Ash is a family man with a very supportive, beautiful wife and family with 2 very young boys. Ash's hobbies are fishing, hiking, and he has a keen interest in NASA. Now, there are 97% of online businesses that fail because they didn't know how to market, recruit, or sell. Now, Ash was looking to find a fair business model, but he couldn't. So he decided the only way to have a fair business model was to create and build one from scratch. So in 2018, Onpassive was created, but it did grow a lot bigger than it originally anticipated it to be. That's why today we have so many products and so many founders that make this company stronger than any IT company that has started before us. We have 830,000 founders. That's why we will be a unicorn company not far after launch. With Onpassive's products, you don't need to do any recruiting. You don't need to convert leads. They will guarantee traffic, which is quality targeted traffic. It's self-funding, so that's where you pay once out of pocket for your subscription, and then it's self-funding from there on. So it's all done for you, 100%, hands-free. You do not need to lift a finger. It has every imaginable tool that you need for success for your business, and it is easily accessible all in one place on one interface. It's a plug-and-play system, so anybody can use this. There is no copycat or recycled tech, and you won't find a better price anywhere on the globe. So here we have 20 of the 50 digital online products. I will go through just 3 of them, as you can check them all out at onpassive.com, where you'll find a short video that will explain all of them. The platforms are all standalone businesses or companies under one roof, and they're all embedded with AI technology throughout. We have Academy, which is one-of-a-kind application for learners of any age. Also, as one of their benefits, they have facial distraction, which is really advanced. Now also, if you have a course or a class you would like to teach, you can also put that on this platform, and it will go onto the platform, out to the world, and it will be translated into 57 different languages. And you will get 100% of the subscription money into your wallet in your back office. Connect is like a Zoom, what we're on now, but with more benefits. And you'll be able to use this for video conferencing. So if you have a business around the world, you can actually have unlimited people on this platform, and you can get all your workers together around the world without having to travel, have them all on one place. We also have Onet. It's our social media platform that helps you connect with your friends and family and discover new friends. It's going to be better than Facebook because they won't sell your data, and they won't put you in prison, Facebook prison or Facebook jail. We're all looking forward to using Onet, as it's a revolutionary and secure social network platform. We also have Obless. Obless is at the forefront of Onpassive. It's a crowdfunding platform where you can raise money for any cause, charity, schools or sports. Now, as a founder, you can use the Obless platform, and Onpassive will give 100% of your monies to your cause or charity. And all the other platforms, they take up to 30%, between 15 and 30% for advertising and admin. So that extra cash will make a big difference in someone's life. It's so much more money you will be able to pass on to your charity and your cause. It is predicted by the end of 2021, the market share will be $114 billion. So it is proven scientifically in our DNA that the power of giving is 10 times more rewarding and fulfilling than receiving and taking. And that's a quote from our lovely Ash Mafara. So here we have the world's greatest modern technology marketing solution. It's going to be a global leader for sure. And here we have Onpassive's business model. We have 50 online tools powered by AI. We have highly targeted traffic that will generate a stream of customers on autopilot. It's a reduced cost because there's only one supplier, which will save you money. And it has a simplified process with one email and one password, which will generate a passive income every day of the year. So why do we need this platform? Why do we need Onpassive? Well, if you compare the list today, the current model is based on competition and conflict. 97% are scams. It all turns into money pits. It ends up costing you an absolute fortune each month. It requires you to sell. It requires you to recruit. The tools you need you have to buy them separately. That's going to take up your precious time, which costs money. There's no guarantees of marketing, there's no guarantees of income, and the marketers are against each other. And the compensation is based on your own efforts. If you don't put in the work, you're not going to receive. And that's it. So now, with today's new model that will disrupt the online world for the better, Onpassive's new model is based on mutual benefit. It's a real business, it's real products, and it's real people. It's self-funding, so it pays you to use it. The marketer does not have to sell. The marketer does not have to recruit. Every tool you need for success is included in one place, and all the tools are included at one low price. It has a money-back guarantee, so you can't lose, and the marketers will only compete with themselves. And it also has a revolutionary breakthrough compensation plan that's patented for Onpassive. So why Onpassive? Well, everyone will be using Onpassive in the very near future, whether they're a founder or not. They will be coming for the tools, or the money, the benefits, the communication, or the connections. They will all have a reason to come to Onpassive. So it's time to completely run your whole business on autopilot, with autopilot for any business opportunity. Everything 100% done for you. Advertising, leads, marketing, recruiting, team building. The whole lot is 100% done for you. Now you can also use this for your own business, which will provide a massive income opportunity if you use this breakthrough platform. So the benefits of becoming a founder. Well, you will earn residual income for life. You'll have targeted traffic to your website given to you by the company. Onpassive will build your business and team for you automatically, and you'll be part of the beta testing and inner circle decision making. You'll pay one time out of pocket for your subscription, and that will be paid then from then on out of your profits. You will benefit from massive marketing campaigns that the company will do for you, and you'll have access to every tool you'll ever need, 100% hands-free. So how much will this cost you to become a founder of a multi-billion-dollar company? Well, it will cost you a one-time out-of-pocket of $97 US. Australia, that's 131, New Zealand 138. And if you like to just go in and change that into your own country, you'll be able to see, but just remember to add the $5 fee, admin fee for your credit cards. There is other ways of paying also, but the credit card or debit card is the best way, I think. Also, once we launch, you all become a subscriber to the online digital products. You'll only have to pay one time out of pocket of $250 USD for your subscription. And you can have as many accounts as you can afford. So if someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure you can do it, say yes and then learn how to do it later. A great quote from Richard Branson. So if you become a founder today and have a business, whether it's brick or mortar or online, Onpassive will force you to be successful. You do not need to have a business though to become a founder in this multi-billion-dollar company. All you need to do is get back to the person who invited you and ask for their invite link and just get in. Before it's too late, join the 830,000 founders and be in the top 1% of the company when we launch. So thank you very much for joining us today on this presentation, and I hope that you enjoyed it and you get back to the person who invited you here so you can be in it to win it. Thank you. My name's Yvonne Mackett. I'm from Perth, Australia. Thank you for listening.